Welcome to this video tutorial on how to set custom price levels in NetSuite using CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create and manage custom price levels efficiently. Let's start off by going into NetSuite's UI and take a look at the price level field within the sales order record. So within the sales order form, let's go down to the price level. And as you can see, if I already added the item, the price level is listed as the list price. It's added with the price, and this price is coming from the item record itself. And that goes the same with CloudExtend. If you want to add in the item, the list price will automatically be labeled within CloudExtend as well. But say for instance, you want to change the price level and go from a list price to a custom. So with a custom, within the NetSuite UI, you can add anything. So let's just say I increase it to 100. You're going to do the same thing in CloudExtend. So if I go into the CloudExtend template, go to the price field, you can see that the cell operation or the list of drop-down fields does not show the custom price option. So in order for you to work with a custom price level, you're going to go in and add in double brackets around a -1. Once you have added the double brackets around a -1, then that's where you can add the rate and add all of the other fields within the sales order template. So now let's put it to the test. Let's add some data into the sales order template and upload it back into NetSuite. For demo purposes, I'm going to just load all of the information into the sales order template and then upload it into NetSuite. All right, so I have all the data filled into all the column that I would need to create a sales order. I left the internal ID column blank, and the transaction ID and date and line are blank as well because those are auto-generated fields from NetSuite. So now if I go into the price field, as you can see, I've added -1 with the double brackets around it, and that's an indicator to let the system know I'm trying to add these rates right here as a custom price rate for all of the items that I have for the sales order. I'm going to go to upload to NetSuite, select upload records. And in just a few seconds, you're going to see the internal ID return back in green in column B. All right, as you can see, the internal ID has returned back in green. And once it returns back in green, I'm going to go to reload. And I'm going to scroll down and reload the records. By using the internal ID to return the transaction ID and transaction date, I can use the transaction ID to return and go do a global search for this particular sales order that I just created. So I'm going to just copy the sales order and I'm going to go back into NetSuite. And as you can see, the sales order has been created and showing up on the global search. And once I go into that sales order, we're going to confirm that the lines have all custom price levels for all of the items on the sales order. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that the price level is going to be all custom price levels for all of these items. If you need further support, please visit our support site at support.cloudextend.io.